Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom fonts to your Gmail signature. Let's begin. First, open Gmail on your desktop. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. Now scroll down until you find the signature section. If you don't have a signature yet, click on Create New. If you already have one, just click to edit it. Type out your name, role, or anything you want to include in your signature. Now here's the trick. Use Google Docs. Go to Google Docs and type your signature text using any custom font you like. Google Docs has way more font options than Gmail. Once you've styled your text, highlight it and copy it. Then head back to Gmail and paste the text into the Gmail signature box. You'll now see your custom font inside Gmail. It might not look perfect while editing, but once you send the email, the recipient will see the correct style. Make sure the font is easy to read and looks professional. And always send a test email to yourself first to confirm everything looks good. That's it, a quick and easy way to add custom fonts to your Gmail signature without using any extensions or code. Thanks for watching.